Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making my body scrub and I'm going to be showing you the ingredients that I'm using and also some of the benefits. First I'm going to be using sugar, it's brown sugar, rose water, honey, turmeric, coconut oil, avocado oil, and this is the rose petals, crushed rose petals. This is my mason jar to store and the bowl and spoon to mix. And these ingredients all have certain benefits that would help your body to glow, feel smooth, maintain its moisture, and look healthy. First, I'm going to be telling you at least one benefit of each of these ingredients. The benefit of the sugar, it helps to exfoliate the skin. The rose water helps to maintain the pH balance of the skin. The honey has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. And for the turmeric, I'm only using it for a glow up. The coconut oil helps to keep the skin moisturized. And the avocado oil contains vitamin E, and with the vitamin E, it helps to nourish the skin. The rose petals, as we know, have natural oils, and with the natural oils, it helps to retain the moisture in the skin. Alright, so let's get started with all of the ingredients and make the body scrub. Alright, so what I just did was mix my sugar and the rose petals together. These are the dry ingredients, so I mix these first. I'm going to put a little extra turmeric because I want to have it just a little bit more color. I'm going to put a little extra turmeric because I want to have it just a little bit more color. that's all to it. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is pour it into my mason jar. Rub it into your skin, the moisture, and this feels so nice on my skin. It's unbelievable. Right, this is some of the scrub on my fingers right here. My skin is dry, so I'm going to just place it on my skin right here and just rub it in. I'm rubbing it in, I can feel the smoothness. Even though it's sugar, I can still feel a sense of smoothness with the oil. Alright, so once you finish with that, then you rinse it off. And once you rinse it off, you can still see very moisturized right here. You can still see the oil, if that makes sense. And by the touch, it is so soft just from touching it. So soft. Alright, so that's it. Like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos coming. Like, share and subscribe. See you next time.